Here's my 2001 Ford F150. Just picked it up last week. Got a really good deal on it. Got brand new tires on it. It's got 246,000 miles on it. It's a short bed, 4-door. Let's look at the inside. It's all leather. It's a Lariat edition. I don't know if you guys see this. Yeah, it's not a bad truck. It's been running pretty good. It's got some quirks. Fixed a couple things on it already. Swapped out the battery. Put some different hooks on it. Battery cable hooks. I don't know if you can see those right there. And positive, negative, new battery. Cleaned out the air filter. They actually have a K&N air filter in here. It's the 5.5 liter Triton V8 engine that's in this. Haven't had no issues with it. We're working on some stuff this week. The bad thing is the paint job on this sucks. It's the clear coat that's coming off of it. And I'm thinking about swapping out the rims to something a little bit more decent. I changed out the lights on the third brake light there. Third brake light there to LEDs. And then I changed out the license plate lights to LEDs also. But hey, that's worked out pretty good. I'm gonna have to change out this camera now because I cracked the screen on it. Not good. Alright, so let me know what you guys think about my Ford F150. It's 2001. I picked it up for a couple grand. So I'm going to do diff covers, diff fluid on the front and rear this weekend. And it's going to be before Christmas. So if you guys see this, it might be after Christmas. I don't know yet. Haven't figured that one out. But my name's Chuck. And our company is Bootleg Automotive. If you guys are in the Prump area, contact us through Facebook or on my channel here at YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Thank you. Have a good day.